Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Phantom in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Bitcoin safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, let's dive right in. It'll take just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Phantom. If you don't, download the apps or sign up on their websites. It's quick and free. This is your foundation for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet on your app or browser. Phantom is a popular wallet for managing crypto, especially on Solana, but it supports Bitcoin too. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin wallet and copy the receiving address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's a string of letters and numbers, so copy it accurately. Step 2. Head over to your Coinbase account. Log in securely and go to your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. That's your gateway to transferring funds. Step 3. In the Send form, select Bitcoin as the currency. Paste the Phantom address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. Coinbase will show you any fees up front, so keep an eye on those. They can vary based on network congestion. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees before hitting confirm. Once you approve, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on 2025 network conditions. Finally, once it's complete, hop back to your Phantom wallet and verify that your Bitcoin has arrived. Congrats! You've just made a successful transfer. Remember, crypto is all about security, so never share your private keys and always use two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.